Hi, welcome to Jude's Tuesday Tip. I am going to show you how to make shaved ice. One of my favorite things to do in summer is to get shaved ice outside. There are two important rules how to make the perfect shaved ice. The blender has to be dry and the ice has to be really, really, really cold. Fill your blender jar about half full. And if you ever seen my mom, you know that she's always carrying around this. This is the best part. Thanks for watching. Yum.
What do you want more of?
Look.
Where did Jude go?
Look.
Can you say, oh?